the wealthy, successful, money making traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me for another video. Guys, I'm so glad you can be here with me today. And I want to talk to you today about how I traded this crazy market. I was hoping for a market that was trending and didn't quite get that. So I'm going to show you the trades that I have taken today, and I actually have 4 losses out of the trade. Part of it was on the USD JPY as well. I took 2 hits in that pair. So I started the morning off in the negative because the market just was not cooperating. And I want to show you how it was that I made money in the market, since the market has just been this kind of choppy. And I will tell you, this is the market that I'm trying really hard to master. So if you have any advice on doing so, please share that advice in the comments below. So all I've been doing is just waiting for a swing, taking 3 pips, waiting for a swing, taking 3 pips, waiting for a swing, taking 3 pips, and so on. So I'm actually going to show you those trades, and because of taking those 3 pips, I have been able to gain all of the losses back, and I'm sitting in quite a nice profit at this point. So now let's take a look at those actual trades. These are the actual trades, and some of them I got off pretty early when I realized the market was not going to trend for me. And it took me a little minute to get this morning. So let's take a look at some of the losses. So this one is a loss. That one is a loss. That is a loss. And that's a loss. And the funny thing about these losses is initially they started out as gains and turned out to be bigger losses. And these two actually, I followed the market to the downside, I think. No. I was going up in the market, and then that's when the big candle to the downside happened, and I had to manually close out those trades. But you can see the rest of them, I've pretty much set in a pip mostly for just 3 pips, or take profit pretty much of 3 pips, and that's how I gained all of the money back and then some. And not all the trades that I took initially this morning were losses, of course, because there've only been 4 losses out of this market. But this is how I was able to gain back the money I lost and then come out on top. I'm about to get up and start my day, but I want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have an amazing pip-filled trading day.